welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to open some new worms, and this is our Wormfarm. And this is going to be our Wormfarm, and we're going to never do like and subscribe.
First off, you need worms.
It has holes. Yeah, so I can breathe. Yeah. Oh, I can see them. Oh, I spotted a worm. Oh, that's a lot of worms. That's a bunch of worms, guys. There's a bunch.
Worms convert organic waste and other compostable products into natural fertilizers. Up to 75% of what we put in the waste stream can become food and bedding material for vermicomposting.
I feel weird. Yeah, I feel weird. Look at all of these worms, bro.
You can create a worm bin in your own home to see the composting process in action.
Come on, buddies. Come on, buddies. Come on. Come on. We get going. We gotta put some worms in here. Now let's go. I can see they liking it. They're all going out and stuff. Look, they're like, wee! Yeah, then, hey, look, he's looking out! Yeah, just don't throw him. Wee! Let's give the worms some food.
The worms break down food waste and other organic matter into castings, a fancy synonym for worm poop.
Some paper toilet worms. Yeah.
Some bedding material, either shredded paper or cardboard, some moisture, and of course, food.
Okay, Dad. I have a bucket here. We do!
Their excrement is absolutely teeming with microbes, which continue the decomposition process, making all those once wasted nutrients available again as fertilizer. The timeline for the whole process varies depending on the quantity of worms, the temperature, and how much waste is added to the bin.
Let's put the warm blanket.
When your bin seems to be full of living vermicelli noodles, it's time to share the bounty with your friends and start a vermicompost club. Or keep those worms to yourself and start a business.
Thanks for watching our video. Bye. Please remember to like and subscribe and click the bell and bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.